Alright, moved one of these in fat doubles. Let's see if I can move it at all in skinny, well, not skinny, but 1.5 inch singles. It's been measured at 9.87 by 25.1 millimeters. AB6. Just keep getting stronger, man. Burning the wife's carpet too. That's probably enough to sweep, but hell yeah. I might be able to open one of these up in 1.25s. That's the next experiment. Can't crush today. So. Move a little bit. I'm already through. Let's see if this is open wide enough. Maybe not. Singles, baby. 1.5 inch singles. Bruises. Man, I wish I could crush. These would go faster if I could get in a little bit of shape. Past 90. I believe this is a first. Somebody actually opening one of these in singles. Again, they're not tiny singles. 1.5 inches in diameter with nothing in them. Oops. Actually, even with the shoe, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there. Hope you can see that. 1.49 inch change. Come on. Still moving. Not gonna crush. Not gonna crush over here. I don't care how bad I want to. Not gonna do it. That's pretty. Flaking. Same thing, same towel exactly. I just got it rolled up a little tighter. See if lifting it a little bit helps get a couple more degrees without going on my crush side. This is probably about it. Yeah. I'm gonna try one more set of hits, and then maybe just call it out. I don't know how I was gonna do that. Ready for me. Try that. I don't know. I don't know how those guys do it. When I can crush, this thing's dying in singles. Alright. Try 2 towels. Like it's gonna make a hell of beans difference at this point. But yeah, maybe 140 maybe. Oh, tough to tell. 130. Opened in singles though, baby. I think that's a first.